Hi, this is Sarah at Bangert Inc. and welcome to my bread and butter series for Sage Intacct Construction. So for this first video, I'm going to show you how you can rename in your applications menu the projects application to jobs. So go to Company, under the Setup tab, hit Terminology, and anything you see here within Terminology can be renamed. And if you see here this Restore Default, that's because these particular ones have already been renamed specifically for construction. So I'm going to find Project here and hit Edit. From my language, I'm going to do English United States because that's where I am. I'm going to do Job for singular name and Jobs for plural and hit Save. I'll just give that a second to load up. And now you can see in my drop down, Projects has been renamed to Jobs. So obviously that's optional, but just makes more sense for us that work in construction. So another tip is here in the top right hand corner, your username. If you click on that and hit My Preferences, this is just something that might make your life a little easier. Scroll down until you get to Display and you can edit the start page. So it's set to default now, but you can put it to whatever makes most sense for you. So when you log in, you're going to see this page instead. And then you can also personalize your menu. So this applications drop-down menu here can be reordered how you like. So you could do it in alphabetical order, or you could do whatever you use most on top. So it just, you put your cursor to the side and you can move them around to whatever order you prefer. And I would also recommend on this personalized page defaults that for records per page and rows per page, you max out on those. It just makes more sensible for me. It does anyway, because if I have a lot of information rather than tabbing through a bunch of pages, it's just one long list. And to me, that just makes sense. So they're just some tips. And obviously, you're going to want to save if you do make changes. And that is video number 1. And as always, like and subscribe.